This video will explain how to transfer contacts from iQOO to iPhone in detail. Part 1. How to transfer contacts from iQOO to iPhone using Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. If you want to quickly migrate all your contacts at once without losing any data, Coolmuster Mobile Transfer is the most recommended solution. Step 1. Download and install this tool on your computer. Use USB cables to connect your iQOO and iPhone. Then, enable USB debugging on your iQOO device and tap Trust this computer on your iPhone when prompted. Step 2. Once connected, make sure the iQOO phone is set as the source and the iPhone as the destination. If reversed, click the flip button. Step 3. On the interface, tick contacts as the data type to transfer, and then click Start Copy and wait until all contacts are safely copied from your iQOO to your iPhone. Part 2. How to move contacts from iQOO to iPhone via Move to iOS. If you're setting up a new iPhone for the first time, Move to iOS is a convenient official method provided by Apple. Step 1. On the iPhone, start the setup process or reset it to reach the setup screen. Proceed through language, region, and Wi-Fi selection until you reach the apps and data screen. Step 2. Choose Move Data from Android. The iPhone will display a 6 or 10-digit code. Leave this screen visible. Step 3. Open Move to iOS on the iQOO and read the introductory prompts. Tap Continue, agree to any terms, then when prompted, enter the numeric code shown on the iPhone. Entering this code pairs the two devices and establishes the private Wi-Fi connection used for transfer. Step 4. After pairing, the iQOO will show a data selection screen. Carefully check only the items you want to move here. Ensure contacts is checked. If you want other items later, messages, photos, calendars, you can check them now. Note that transferring large photo libraries will lengthen the process. Step 5. Tap Next or Continue on the iQOO to begin the transfer. Keep both phones close together and avoid touching network settings. The iQOO will indicate transfer progress, for example, transferring one of X items. The iPhone will show a loading bar. Do not use either device for other heavy tasks during this time. Step 6. Wait until both devices show completion messages. On the iPhone, you'll see a confirmation when the transfer finishes. The iQOO may display a transfer complete message, only then is it safe to disconnect. If the transfer is interrupted, note any error message and either retry from the start or move only contacts via another method. Step 7. After the transfer completes, continue with the remaining iPhone setup steps: Apple ID, sign in, Face ID or Touch ID, settings. When setup finishes, open the Contacts app and verify that names, phone numbers, emails, and labels moved correctly. If some contact fields are missing, check whether those fields were saved to a specific account, SIM, device, or Google on the iQOO. Part 3. How to sync contacts from iQOO to iPhone using a Google account. If you usually use the Google Contacts feature on your iQOO phone, you can directly sync your contacts to your iPhone by signing in with the same Google account. Step 1. On your iQOO, go to Settings, Accounts, and Sync Google. Make sure Contacts Sync is enabled. Step 2. On your iPhone, open Settings, Mail, Accounts, Add Account Google. Step 3. Sign in with the same Google account, and then turn on the Contacts toggle and wait for the synchronization to complete. Step 4. After a few minutes, your iQOO contacts should appear automatically on your iPhone.